Hello friends, hello friends, hello friends, hello friends, hello friends, hello friends, and hello friends and welcome back. Hello friends and
Tell me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos.
hello friends and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan. Today's grocery haul was around $148 and some change. It probably would have been our cheapest grocery haul in a while if I didn't have to get a couple household items on top of the food. The food probably alone was around $100, which is great because I like to keep our weekly budget for groceries around $100 to $200. So that's right on the lower end of that, which is fantastic because then I feel like I can spend a little more the next week if I need to. And normally that's how it works. We'll get a cheaper haul and then the next week we need to stock up more. Then we've got enough for the next week to not grab as much. Anyways, I'm rambling. I need to apologize. I am so sweaty. It is so hot here in Melbourne at the moment. I do not like the heat at all. I'm a winter person. I love to have cozy clothes on. I like to have a jumper, trackies, and I just like to be under my blanket and just all cozy and warm, all that sort of stuff. I love winter. Anyways, before we get into this video, I just want to mention that this is a collab with Vanessa from Vanessa White Randomness. She is such a sweet mum. She's so funny, so random, as her name says. She shares lots of grocery hauls, food videos, meal prep, meal ideas, dinner ideas, all the sorts of things that I share on my channel too, plus a little bit more. She also has a series at the moment where she's teaching like new YouTubers like myself all different things about YouTube and like monetization and things like that. So if you are into learning a little bit more and some tips and tricks along the way, definitely head over and check out those videos because I'm pretty sure she's going to be pumping out a few of those soon that you will want to check out. But also for those of you who are here watching my grocery hauls, head on over there and check out hers too. She has a larger family than mine, so she will have larger grocery hauls, which are always fun to watch. Now, I'm going to show you my meal plan quickly on the bench here, and then I'm going to show you the groceries behind me. So let's get into it. Okay guys, for those of you who have been here for a while, you will know this is not my usual meal planner and how I do it. I usually use my bullet journal, but I went ahead and treated myself to one of Jordan Page's productivity planners. If you don't know who Jordan Page is, I will leave her YouTube channel linked in the description box down below. She is such a good YouTube mum to follow. She has a fantastic channel and everything she does, I love it so much. So anyway, I spoiled myself. I got one of her planners finally, and this is the weekly meal plan page that is in each week of this journal. So starting off, I've got on Monday butter chicken and rice. On Tuesday is schnitzel, mash and mixed veg. On Wednesday is pesto pasta with greens, so normally just a big mix of green vegetables I throw in there, and they just get hidden away with the pesto and the kids love it, so it's great that way. On Thursday, we are having chicken fajitas. We had shrimp fajitas. A couple weeks ago, I had a video for that. I'll leave in the description box down below if you want to see that. A lot of people were saying the shrimp fajitas was the best of all of the sheet pan meals I made in that video. Definitely check that out if you haven't already. And on Friday, we are having pizza and garlic bread. On Saturday, we are having ravioli bolognese, and on Sunday, we are having loaded potatoes. So that's just like baked potatoes with mincemeat, sour cream, sweet chili sauce, beans, cheese, all that fun stuff. So yeah, so that is the weekly meal plan for this week. Now let's get into the groceries. So I'm just going to start over this side as usual. So I've just gone ahead and grabbed 5 bags of this Smart Fiber penne in the low GI. It's normally about $2 something, but it's marked down to $1.60, and I just wanted to stock up on those while they were a bit cheaper, just because they are a little healthier, and we do have pasta every single week, so for different recipes sometimes, but mostly ravioli bolognese, which is why I grabbed these raviolis as well. Now they did substitute one of them for a Legos, but I do have to say this brand, if you're in Australia, this brand is so good. Even though it is the cheaper one, I definitely think that it tastes better than the higher brand ones, but we don't mind getting that substituted because we still like them. I'm just saying, I definitely would recommend this cheaper one for sure. It does have just a different flavor. So then I've gone ahead and grabbed 2 packets of Band-Aids. We ran out of them, so I had to stock up on that. I grabbed my toddler one of these Kinder Surprises. He always gets so excited when I give him a little treat in the shopping. I grabbed some more butter, some sour cream for the loaded potatoes that I said we're having this week. I grabbed 1 box of these chicken Easy Mac for sides or even for lunch for my toddler, I suppose. And then I have grabbed 2 boxes of these decaf cappuccinos. Now I said in my last grocery haul that I wanted to try these out just to help out with my anxiety, because my anxiety really, it plays up a lot if I have too much caffeine. I do try to stick to 2 cups a day, but it still just seems to be a little bit too much for me to handle. So I have now started getting these. I got them last week to try, and surprisingly they actually don't taste that much different to actual caffeine. I thought they would. I've had a lot of people tell me that decaf is not that nice, but they're not that bad considering, and they have helped with my anxiety, so I think that it's worth it anyway. So then I also grabbed 4 of these basil pestos. Now I like to have a few of these in the cupboard. I haven't had them in the cupboard for a while. These are actually really cheap. I think they're like $1.90 or something. I think they're the Woolworths brand, yeah, but they are so good. I haven't really tried the other ones, but I do not have a problem with this one, and it's really nice. Then I've grabbed 4 tins of the brown lentils. They were marked down to $1, so I wanted to stock up on those, make sure we had them in our cupboard. And I've also grabbed some of these white potatoes. I just got 2 kilos because I have a few left over still from last week. I got a packet of frozen blueberries. I got a few bananas. We do have a lot of apples and a few bananas left from last week as well, so I've grabbed those. And then I've just grabbed 2 of these yogurts. We still have a few in the fridge from last week. I grabbed this packet of Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Obviously not for me or my kids. That's just for my partner. He wanted a snack, so I grabbed those. I've grabbed 2 more bottles of water. Now, I don't really buy these often, but I just buy them and I refill them 100 times over until they're starting to look a bit tacky, and then I throw them out and replace them. The reason that I haven't brought an actual reusable bottle yet is because every time I go online to look for one, I can never pick or decide which one I actually want to go with, and you know, what's value for money and what's going to last the longest. And I am just so indecisive when it comes to actual shopping. Food shopping, easy. Actual like clothes shopping and you know, other stuff like that, household items like that, I can never decide. So if you have a recommendation for a good water bottle, let me know in the comments down below. I would really, really appreciate that, because I just can't make that decision myself, and I'm really looking for a good one. I do try to drink about 3 liters of water a day, so a bigger water bottle, at least a liter or close to a liter, is preferred. But please, yeah, leave your recommendations in the comments, please. I would really appreciate that. So then I've also grabbed some raisin toast, some white bread, and some milk, as I get every week pretty much. And the raisin toast was half price again, so loving that. It is pretty much always half price, I swear, but I'm not complaining because we love it around here. I've grabbed some wraps as well for the chicken fajitas that we're going to be having this week. And then for meat, I've grabbed these honey mustard schnitzels. That's for the schnitzel night I mentioned. And I got 2 packets of these chicken stir fry. One is for the butter chicken and the other one is for the chicken fajitas that I mentioned as well. And for the household items that we got, we grabbed some of this washing powder. I was running out. We probably only have enough for 2 loads left, but this is the washing powder that I use. It's Radiant Color Guard technology. I love this one because it can be used for both whites, colors. You can throw everything in this wash except for towels, because you don't want like lots of fluff all over your clothes, but I definitely throw all my clothes in together. I don't even worry about it. This has never ever let any colors run onto any of the colors in the, you know, the whites and the pinks. They just don't run, and I really love this one. If you haven't tried this, or if you're looking for a really good powder, definitely use this one. It's not sponsored. I just want to quickly say that because I don't know, I have a very small channel. I don't think that there will be anything sponsored on my channel for a while, but I still feel like I need to tell you that, because I feel like sometimes I'm watching people and they're recommending products and I think, do you really like it? Or, you know, you're getting paid to say that, but I'm not getting paid to say this. I definitely just really like this one. I've been using it for a long time now. They have different types in it, but definitely the Radiant brand. I love it. And then I've grabbed this conditioner. I had run out of that this morning, and I definitely needed to grab some of that too. Okay friends, that is it for this week's grocery haul and meal plan. If you got some dinner ideas out of today's video, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And also, if you are new here and coming over from Vanessa's channel, hello and welcome. My name is Katrina. I'm an Australian mum to 2 young kids, and I share lots of grocery hauls, meal plans, meal prep, and what's for dinners, cleaning motivation here on my channel. I would absolutely love you to stick around, hit that subscribe button down below if that is the type of thing you like to watch, and also turn on the bell notifications on the side so that you do not miss any of my uploads. As always guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all being here. Don't forget to check out Vanessa's channel. I will leave her link in the description box down below. I know you guys are going to love her. She's really smashing out the videos. She's so funny, so kind. Go check her out, see for yourself, and don't forget to subscribe, because we're all about supporting everyone here on this channel, and I hope you do the same for her. So I hope you all are having a fantastic week, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!
Just keep on